Hey everyone, this is Nate from GetVoIP, and today we're covering remote call forwarding, what it is, and how it could benefit your workplace. Let's get right to it. Remote call forwarding is a call flow management process that automatically sends inbound calls to additional phone numbers if there is no answer at the initial number dialed. Call forwarding prevents customers from having to hang up and redial multiple phone numbers to reach the same agent or another available representative. Here's a sample remote call forwarding path. An efficient call forwarding strategy cuts down on the number of missed calls, increases first call resolution rates, and prevents you from needing to hire additional agents to manage high call volumes. Call forwarding benefits like increased agent availability, consolidated calling across multiple locations, and decreased customer callbacks improve the agent and customer experience. Plus, it lowers the operating costs associated with hardware, staffing, office space, and cost per call, among others. Let's take a more in-depth look at the most critical benefits of call forwarding. First, enhanced availability. Remote call forwarding ensures customers can always reach your company and get the support they need on their own schedules in and outside of standard office hours. Even when agents are working remotely, have stopped out of the office, or when office hours are over for the day, call forwarding sends inbound calls to other available offices or call centers in appropriate time zones. Second, reach multiple offices. Remote call forwarding also permits you to route calls to where they need to be. Let's say the business has locations in Westchester, New York, Columbus, Ohio, and Saratoga, California. All of the business's inbound calls are routed to these locations from one single toll-free number, simultaneously ringing until an agent takes the call. Next, it's convenient for customers. Virtual numbers use a form of call forwarding that's very useful for anyone intending to expand into long-distance domestic or even foreign markets. With this technology, locals dial the assigned local or toll-free numbers, but still reach your remote offices without incurring extra charges. In foreign, non-English speaking markets, local calls from these remote areas are forwarded directly to your agents with the required language proficiency. Next, flexibility for any phone numbers. Business communications have multiple endpoints to consider. Organizations engage with customers on desk phones, soft phones, on Windows and Mac OS, and in smartphone apps on Google Android and Apple iOS. Remote call forwarding is done easily on any of these communication technologies, even on traditional PSTN landline phones. And finally, no new hardware is required. Cloud-hosted PBX office phone systems with remote call forwarding capabilities are managed, hosted, and updated by the provider, not your business as the end user. Since the server and other equipment are hosted by the provider, end users can continue to use their existing business hardware or let team members use their personal devices. The following remote call forwarding best practices will help callers connect to the best available agents, make customers feel valued, and prevent agent burnout. First, highlight your brand. Most enterprise-level businesses set business phone system greetings that include the name of their business and a quick overview of essential information like operating hours, additional phone numbers, and the business address. Keep pre-recorded greetings consistent across all phone numbers added to a call forwarding path, so customers can be sure they've been transferred to the right agent or department. Next, create short IVR menus. Avoid making IVR menus too lengthy and complicated, as the idea is to save the customer time and to ensure you connect them to the correct agent the first time. Optimized IVR call flow is a smart way to gather information without putting the customer off. Next, keep timeout values short. When calls are forwarded remotely because no one is available at the original number, avoid setting high transfer and forwarding timeouts. No caller wants to sit and wait for an agent to pick up for more than a few seconds. Timeout value needs to be relatively short so that the caller stays on the phone line and the call is resolved. And finally, keep your system up to date. If your remote call forwarding system uses any type of IVR system, voice bot, or auto attendant, make sure it's updated regularly. Outdated and incorrect business information leads to miscommunication, agent and customer frustration, missed calls, and damage to your business reputation. Most larger companies have a single emergency 911 number where calls are sent in case of an outage or emergency. However, calls can also be forwarded to cell phones. This is a function that is extremely useful for businesses that need their employees to work remotely for some time. Incoming calls can also be directed to an automated message that will give the customer details about what is happening and an option to leave a message. Customers that feel valued and prioritized will stick with your business and recommend your products and services to friends. Remote call forwarding increases customer retention, improves overall support experience, and ensures customer needs are always met, leading to customer loyalty and a stronger customer experience. If you found this video informative, give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell below to keep up with our journey to simplify the VoIP world. Until next time, this is Nate from Get VoIP.